In this tutorial, we will show you how to view your group's benefits coverage and employee information. To begin, go to the My Group Clients tab. Here you will see a list of groups you have with BBD. Our demo advisor only has one. Locate the group you need details for and click View. The administration contact and client information will display. Note, you are not able to edit any of the information for your groups. To view a specific employee, click the Employees button. Locate the employee and click View. Here you can view the employee's personal information and employment information, as well as their dependent information and beneficiary information by clicking on the corresponding tab. Click on the Benefits Coverage tab to view volume and coverage amounts, as well as the monthly premium by benefit. This page will also show whether a benefit is waived or not. To go back to the group summary, click on the sidebar option with the group name. To view what coverage the group has, click the Benefit Plans button. All of BBD's regular benefit offerings are displayed. The ones highlighted in green are the ones the group currently has. You can click on Details to view all the details for that benefit, including but not limited to termination age, participation rate, hours of eligibility, waiting period, policy number, underwriter, also known as the insurance carrier, effective date of the plan, and the next renewal. Click on any of the sidebar options to view any of the other benefits. Lastly, if you need to run reports for any of your groups, simply click the Report button from the Group Summary page. Select Run beside the report you require, and a Download button will appear at the bottom of your screen once the download is complete. That completes the Viewing Your Group Benefits Coverage and Employee Information Nomad tutorial. Thanks for watching.